Hi, I'm Kerry Goring. I'm here at St Fagans. Here we are at Kennigston, and I have one of our newly planted apple trees. So as well as growing heritage vegetables, we also grow heritage fruit. And we have 4 quite large orchards here at St Fagans, and we're very keen when we replant, as inevitably happens when some of your fruit trees get very old, you have to replant with new, that we always choose the best heritage varieties. This golden pippin apple is one of our newly planted trees. It's about 4 years, I think, since we planted this one. And over the last 2 or 3 years, we've been planting lots of interesting heritage varieties of fruit. And one that I've got here to show you is the Bardsey apple. So this apple was found, a very old gnarled apple growing on Bardsey Island against the shelter of a wall. And it was taken and propagated by a nurseryman in North Wales who found that it was a unique apple. And so they were able to call it the Bardsey apple. Very importantly, it's got a very good flavour and it's a lovely juicy apple. And disease and pest resistant, so it's a good one. So we're trying to grow lots of different Welsh cultivars, and there's a lot more interest in that, and every year we're finding new ones and planting wherever we can. What we do with the apples is we leave some so that the birds have some food, but as much as we can we harvest them and then we press them and make apple juice, and we sell the apple juice in the shop here at St Fagans.